So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add layers to CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go to CapCut.com. On here you can see CapCut, you can see upgrade and some other options as well. Click on create new. Now on here you can see black canvas 16:9 and other aspect ratios. Open one of these. So on here you can see something similar to this. So this will be your video editor and you can go through media on here to add some stuff from your own files. You can also go to templates, elements, and so on. So on here you can see some options for editing and you can see underneath some of the layers that I've added. So you can see it can look something like this. So this is the sticker on here. You can see this GIF or GIF that I've added at the top part. So this is a sort of layer. Now in order to drag it, I can just go ahead and take this sticker, just press it twice and I can move it up, or rather I can move this down. Once that's done, you can just do it with any layer and you can see I can drag it like this and I can switch between those two. So that's about it. That's how you can drag layers and make sure to select it as overlay as well. So you can see there are some other options on there as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.